So if you want to bake an easy ham in the oven, but you don't want to go through a lot of trouble, buy one like this. It's a 3-pound ham. All you do is put it on a baking sheet with a rack on it with some water in the bottom and bake that for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven while you make the glaze. So this is a tasty bourbon glaze. It kind of gives your ham dinner all the effort vibes, but it's really easy to make. So you just whip up everything together. So in that bowl goes, or in that pan goes bourbon, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, butter, and orange juice. Once it's all like starting to bubble and get that thicker glaze consistency, you pull it off of the heat, and then hopefully around then your ham has been baking. So you need to spiralize it basically. You're gonna make these little grooves in it about 3/4 of the way down. So these are about 1/2 inch to 1 inch sections of ham. So you partially slice it, and then it's time to load up that nice thick glaze, which you know is done when it can coat a spoon like so. Look how beautiful that is. It's thick, it's luscious, it's sweet. And just brush that all over the top. Do not waste any of it. Put all of it on. And then you're going to pop that baking sheet back in the oven. Usually for us is about 20 to 30 more minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You just want to make sure that you measure the internal temperature to 140. Well, you really want it to be about 145 degrees Fahrenheit when you're serving it. You can print out this easy ham recipe and a few others that are similar to it at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!